Hey folks, Easy Rider here. Welcome to my next video. Today I will install some Honda handguards on my new 2023 Honda XR150. If that interests you, stay with me. And welcome back. Well, if you bought the part, this is what it comes in, this little plastic baggie thing. These are not made by Honda themselves. It's by the signature people or whatever. So this isn't actually a Honda part. Now it comes with what I thought was instructions, but it says to download instructions, go to this URL, which of course is a dead page, 404 no listing. So anyway, I went on the Honda actual page and there's no instructions. So you're on your own. So basically it comes with two of these clampy things. These things hold these handguards and the handguards themselves, and a baggie of parts. Looks a little complicated at first, but it's actually pretty simple. So here we go. All right, first step is to put these plastic thingies together. They go in and they look like this with the U shape to the bottom. It's the long screw, it's a Phillips head on top, and it's an 8mm nylock on the bottom, couple washers. Do that for both sides. Okay, once you got the brackets together, then all you have to do is screw on the handguards. These are T20 Torx screws. They're self-tapping. Those are the stars. They're self-tapping, so what you want to do is start it by finger and then tighten them down. Do not over tighten, do not gorilla ram any of this. This is all plastic. Just as soon as it hits bottom, that's good. Just make sure it's nice and finger tight. And all right, that's it. We'll go put them on the bike. And there you go, this is the finished product. It's a little bit of a ball buster putting on. This side here, I already had the 12-volt socket in there, so it's a little crooked, but what are you going to do? So if you'll notice, you can see a little bit of the lever down there, but I think it'll still block most of the wind. Anyway, putting them on, even this side was a bit of a pain in the ass. First thing, you might want to loosen up this, it's a tie wrap, but it's a little knobby on it, you can loosen up and get that wire underneath it loose. When you put these on, be very, very careful. These screws thread into this welded on nut. If you strip that, you're up the creek. You're going to ruin the whole set. So make sure you do it use your finger first, and make sure that these things are straight when you're screwing in. You cross thread it, you kill it, and you got $60 worth of junk. This side here, what I did is, well, what I first did, you might want to put the backing on down a little bit further and then slide it up. It's a little bit fiddly. Like I said, I've got this socket right here, so it kind of gets in the way, so I couldn't push this piece as far this way as I want. But all in all, it's okay. Is it worth the money? I guess to get the wind off you. I'm not really convinced that they're going to survive a crash or anything. But time will tell. Anyway, hope this helps. If you have any specific questions, leave them below. And have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.